So we've been doing this for quite a while now. Oh, good boy. Good. Just getting him used to the vibrations. What a good boy. Now we're going to try the real thing. Ooh, what a good boy. Ooh, what a good boy. Oh, good boy. That went so well. What a good boy. Good boy. Well done. Well done. And we're still just in the training process. Oh, what a good boy. Okay. Oh, good job, my boy. Super duper smart. Oh, good job, my boy. Oh, well done. Oh, this is going to make future nail clipping so much easier. Oh, good job. What a good boy. Very nifty, this thing. So he accepts this way more than the nail clippers, so we'll just continue with this. Do a little bit of this every day, getting him used to it, and at the same time just very gently grinding back the nails. Not that they're very long, but doesn't hurt to keep them shortish. This is a good length. As long as the nails don't touch the ground, I'm happy. Yes, you're clever boy. Alright, finish the crowns. Right, so we're going to continue. I have over the last few days done this nail, and that nail. And if you look very carefully, you might actually see the difference. Alright, so I'll start. I'm going to do these last two on each of the feet. I thought I'd keep that for this video. And although he doesn't really mind it all that much, he starts to do stuff like this. Dude, no, come here, stop it. No, no, lie still, lie still. Good boy. Nope. Lie still. No. Dude. Hey, roll over this way. Dude. Thank you. No, lie still. Thank you. Good boy. Lie still. Good. What I'm trying to do is take the outer shell of the nail off so that we expose the more middle part of the nail, and then when he walks he'll actually wear down that middle piece quite automatically. And it's easy achieved with this nail grinder story than it is if you try and cut it. Lie still. And you can totally tell he doesn't really mind all that much because he's busy grooming himself. Oh, he does that. Thank you, my boy. Nope. Lie still. You're such a clown, you know that. No, lie still. Oh, goodness me. Come back here. Come back here. Hey, roll over this way. Roll over this way. Yeah, good boy. Nope. Hold still. Dude. I am shortening the nail just a little bit. Good boy. No. Come back here. Toothy. Toothy monster. Come back here. Come on. Vibrant corruption. Come on. Yeah. Down. Good boy. I hope we're still in focus. This particular one, I think I'm going to clip. It will let me. No. Good boy. Do you mind? So you can do that too. You can do a clip first, just to where you feel you are comfortable, but obviously don't hurt the dog. And then after a while, if you've clipped just enough, then you can start to do the nail grinder thing. Especially if there's quite a bit to clip off, and because I've been taking my time, his nails have obviously been growing a lot. So, because we've been really spreading this out, Good boy. Give me back your foot. Good boy. Because obviously I want to try and keep this as pleasant as possible. Because I know he's not a fan of having nails done. But he does seem to agree with this whole story. Much better than if we were just clipping. Good boy. No, 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 no. Almost done here, my boy. Good boy. And you can tell he's much more relaxed than if I were clipping. Right now, can you see? Okay, and I'm pretty happy with that. Now we're gonna do the two outside one on this side. So we have done these 3 nails, now we have to do these 2. And I'm also just gonna clip a little bit. This is not my usual clipper. Ugh. Hate these safety guards and all sorts of nonsense on here. Good boy. Sometimes it really helps to clip first. Just get rid of some of what shouldn't be there. And then makes this story easier. Come on now. No. Just be very patient with your dog. Some bits actually tickle, so be aware of that. The vibration can tickle. No, wait. No. I must say his hair here is very long and gets in the way. Oh, it's still in the way. No. I think some of the trying to get the nail away is because it tickles. Nope. Right now. Nope. Really. No. Hold still. Such a drama queen. Huh? Hello, mischief. Thank goodness he doesn't really have long nails too, overall. That helps a lot. Alright, good boy. See? Oh, nope. Whew. Okay, these teeny weeny clippers are not designed for huge nails. There and there. Okay. Good. Just lie there and look pretty. And move the thing around so it doesn't get stuck on one place for too long. We'll have to play around and see what works. Sorry, am I tickling you? I don't mean to. No. Good boy. Good boy. Of course, I'm no expert, so this is my first time. I've never used a nail grinder on a dog before. This is my first dog to do this with. Poor guy's my little lab bunny, guinea pig. Good boy. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. Does it tickle? I'm not gonna go bark. Nope. No. Dude. Nope. I think it tickles. Good boy. I'm just gonna have to keep this up more regularly. I'm not doing this regularly enough. No, you are not gonna go back. Nope. Still. I wish I had a third hand to help me hold his foot. Or a third hand to stick food in his mouth. Hold still, my boy. I'll be done. No, no, no. I know you're getting tired of this. Hold still. No, good boy. Lie down. Hold still. I'll be done now. No. Hold still. My leg is getting so scratched up because these paw pads are very rough. Nope. Come on. Yeah, I think it's ticklish. Hey, you are a monster. But you know what? We'll call it a day. He's done quite well. Come here. Can you see? Good. Okay, so I did these two today, and I did these yesterday, and that one. Good. Oh, good boy. So we did these two today, and there she goes some more, and we did these now the last few days. but we'll keep it up more regularly. I'm so glad his back feet don't need this. All right, my boy, all finished. Hi, so in this segment, I just want to show you what I'm going to be doing at least 2 to 3 times a week so that we keep his nails now at a very nice length. They're actually pretty good, but I just want to keep them at a certain length, so I'm inviting you guys to watch the segment and see how we do that. Okay, good boy. Okay. Now let's see if I can keep him from fooling around. So every nail is just going to get a little bit, no, of a buzz. Good boy. So by, whoopsie, hey, doing this maybe 3 times a week, it'll actually help keep those nails at a reasonable length. I just don't want them touching the floor. That's basically all. Okay. So I know you guys can't see so well because of the way he's lying. One more, my boy. So when your dog stands up straight and nice and square on the ground, if the nails are touching the ground, they are too long. If you can slide a credit card or two between the nail itself and the floor, then the nails are actually a pretty good size. Yes, you can have a treat because you're such a good boy. Yeah, I've still got a foot to do. Let's do this foot too. Okay, no. I know it tickles him. So I have discovered that he finds this quite ticklish. Good boy. And these dew claws, watch them, okay? If you don't clip them or do a nail grinder thing, they grow long, they start curling, and they can actually grow back into the flesh. That is very, very painful. Don't let that happen to your dog. The other reason you want to keep nails off the floor, you can see that he's got nice compact feet, and if the nails are too long, it actually stretches the toes out, which means the ligaments are actually pulled straight or more overstretched almost. And what happens then is you end up with a dog who ends up with rheumatism or arthritis in his toes. So look after your dog's nails. They can't do it themselves. Some nails, like this guy, are very hard, so they do not wear down just through normal wear or trotting on a rough surface. It just doesn't work for him. Another thing you can do, and there's plenty, oopsie, sorry, I know, I tickled you there. There are videos on YouTube. Learn to make a scratch post for your dog. Scratch board, actually. No, no, Lycan, no. Stop it. And then teach your dog to use a scratch board. And that's a great way to help keep their nails nice and at a reasonable length. Okay. You don't want them too short. They need their nails, obviously. But we do want them at a reasonable length. I know it's ticklish. I'm probably not doing this correctly because I've never done this before until now. This dog, wait, no, But I'm trying. No. Don't let your dog get away with all this messing around. I know he finds it ticklish. That's one of the reasons that he does that. His outer nails always are longer. Ah. Wait now. Wait, I'm not finished. Lycan. No. Come on. Good boy. That's why I'm working on this one a little longer, because it tends to grow quite long. There we go. Yep. Wait. All right. Okay. So basically, I want to do this about 2 to 3 times a week. So to help him stay used to it, and also go and get those nails or keep them at a reasonable length. So these are quite nifty, so feel free to invest in one of those. I know overseas they use one that is slightly bigger and stronger. You can use a normal Dremel apparently, but please research that. Don't take my word for it, okay? Check it out. See what's out there for the pets. This is what I could afford, and it's good enough for my boy. And it's a really great way to help those nails keep at a reasonable length. And also, if you're worried about using clippers that you might actually clip the dog, they clip their quick or something, then obviously you can start off with, if the nails are very, very long, just take the absolute last little bits and cut little slithers off, and then use this to round it off. And then the next time, again, little slithers, round off with this, and push that quick back a little bit. The quick is like the pink in our nails, and just keep doing that, and do it over several days or several times during the week until those nails come off the ground and you have a nice gap between the floor and the nail, and that way your dog then doesn't end up with toes being stretched out, which ends up in a huge problem down the line. Or, boy, I have seen some nails and toes on dogs that were not being looked after properly grooming wise, and it was really, really shocking. So I don't think the owners were aware. I do point it out to dog owners if I feel their dog nails need attention. So please look after your dog's nails. They can't do it themselves, okay? And lots of nails, like Lycan's nails, are very, very, very hard. They do not wear down when he walks on the ground. Doesn't matter what hard surface he runs across, the nails do not wear down. He needs me to help him. My bull terrier Isla was exactly the same. I had to file her nails and clip her nails and look after her nails on a very, very regular basis. I'm thrilled they invented this. I wish I had one of these for my bull terrier when I still had her. She would have loved it. So Lycan is, okay, he's like, it's ticklish, but he doesn't hate it. He really hates clippers. Okay, so he's going to have better experiences now with this. So good luck with your dog's nails, and I really, really hope that my nail with the nail grinder video have been helpful to you and your dog. So I'll see you in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye from Lycan, and goodbye from myself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.